Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day everyone. Before we start our video presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Liyana Binti Sahrom. I'm degree student Bachelor in Information Science, Honors Record Management at University Teknologi Mara. Basically, I just finished my industry training at Majlis Perbandaran Kuantan APK, which is starting on 3rd February until 30 June 2020. So this video presentation is all about my industry training experience and including with my special project to fulfill the requirement of this course. Through historical records, Kuantan has existed since the early 1850s. The existence of Kuantan in the 19th century began as a settlement. The local government system was first implemented in Kuantan on 1st August 1913 with the establishment of the Kuantan Sanitary Board, which is responsible for hygiene, health and development control. In the year 1937, the Kuantan Sanitary Board was replaced by the Kuantan Town Board. After almost 60 years under this system, the Kuantan Town Board finally has been upgraded to the Kuantan Town Council with an administrative area of only 16 square kilometers, which is focused on Kuala Kuantan sub-district. On 1st September 1979 again, the Kuantan Municipal Council was upgraded based on Local Government Act, which remains until this day. The administrative area of Kuantan Municipal Council has been expanded to 324 square kilometers, which covers 4 sub-districts, namely Kuala Kuantan, Ulu Kuantan, Bersera and Sungai Karang. As we know, human resource management involves developing and administering programs that are designed to increase the effectiveness of an organization or business. It includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and cultivating the between of employer and employee relationship. Training has been involved with the seminar of harmony system on 13 February 2020. The seminar also attended by certain staff from every department. This seminar was held for the exposing the methods how staff can use this system for their importance matter relating to staff leave or updating their personal information. HARM is commonly known as Human Resource Management Information System, which is one of the software that provides a centralized repository of employee master data that the Human Resource Management Group needs for completing core human resource processes. Through the advertise for vacant position in Majlis Perbandaran Kuantan website, people that interested to apply for the position, whether from internal or external candidates, they need sending their resume either through post or walk-in at the organisation. Then, the resume that accepted was being keyed in for their details information to make a list for the most suitable candidates, and their resume was being numbered according to the name list as a reference number. As we know, Buku Perkhidmatan Kerajaan or BPRC is a document that records information of public sector officials. This book is also essential document of the service of an officer as described in bahagian 2 Perkembangan Perkhidmatan Bilangan 5 tahun 2007, Panduan Pengurusan Pejabat. The method maintenance of service records is also described in Surat Perkembangan Perkhidmatan Bilangan 1 tahun 1982. These methods of maintenance of update service records for the purpose benefits of retirement. As long doing internship on this department, the training also be exposed by the methods to manage the external meeting in organization. Wan Liyana Binti is one of the staff from Unit Pentadbiran responsible to manage all the estimate meeting regarding with overall department in this organisation. So, Wan Liyana have asked the trainee to help her manage the files regarding the estimate meeting. In fact, according to Wan Liyana, the meeting files her mean it is calling as green files. Based on the book of Laporan Kawasan Interim MPK, there are 14 sections that need to be identified. The challenge on this task are the trainee must identify each of the section to make a report. So, the trainee must wait for the Encik Muhammad in the HAM teams to send and update the latest pictures of location to make it easier for trainee to make a report. The pictures were being sent through WhatsApp application. At last, the trainee decided to do a simple table form to make sure it can give an easy way to Encik Muhammad Ilham understand regarding the table forms, and at the same time, Encik Muhammad Ilham can easily locate which location are still exist or not exist anymore. On the 3rd March 2020, the trainee get a new task from Puan Binti to helping her on making a checklist for staff latest position in organisation. In month of February, some of the staff has been transferred to other department. According to Puan to complete this task, the trainee must refer to the data from the Harmony system to see either the staff that update their latest position or not. So now, I will continue with my special project that I proposed to the organisation specific on my department, Jabatan Pengurusan Majlis Perbandaran Kuantan. My special project is about digitization of paper-based records. Before I start with my explanation more about this special project, let me explain what is actually digitization it is. For example, an original staff personal document may only be accessible to the staff who's only working on the Human Resource Department to make as reference for them. But if the document content is digitized, it can be made available to the staff from other departments to make it easy for them to access information regarding about their staff history employment. So, this is an example for interface of digital record storage for staff in Majlis Perbandaran Kuantan. First is the storage for staff digital records going to keep on each of department folder. When you click to department folder, it going reveal the list of staff number. After click the staff number, the next page going show the type of staff personal record, which consists personal, payroll and medicals. So, this is an example for contents of staff records under personal folder. After click the staff records folder, it going show the scanning documents. This is an example for scanning documents with using file format of PDF.